Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wit back with another makeup tutorial. So today we're gonna do another client soft glam. I'm just so tired of these soft glams, you guys. I want to work with some colors so bad. But so we're here with another soft glam. So as you know, I'm going in with my Morphe pencil in Java, and I'm just filling in her brows lightly as possible. My girl is going to Jamaica. She wanted a light beat to the airport. So yeah, that's what we doing, child. So here I am just filling in her brows. Disregard my nails, okay? Disregard it. It's ugly, I know. But yeah, so now we're going in with Milani concealer in the shade Cool Tan. So you guys, I did go in and I went and bought some new concealers from Born This Way. I bought Toffee. I already had caramel, and then I had mocha. So I'm working on it. But I really do love the concealers. They're very thick and they don't dry too fast, which is something I like. I don't like my concealers to dry a little, like, so quick, but only when I'm concealing like under the eyes. And yeah, that's basically it. But for cleaning up the brows, I do want some concealer that is not really too dry on the drying side. So yeah, but I am using Milani today. So this is Cool Tan, and I'm just cleaning up her brows. Now I'm using my brush, and I'm just blending out the concealer. Sorry that I was in the way. Here I am going in with Beauty by Melissa's Persuasion palette, I believe. And this is the shade Chokola. And I'm just taking this buffing brush and I'm just tapping that into her crease and blending that everywhere. So I went in with MOM, but this is what my client requested that she wanted. So I do still got a bottle left, you know what I'm saying? And so I did went in with it. And now I'm going in with NARS foundation, and this is the shade Macao. So I kind of mix with her skin tone. I mix for her. So I go in with Macao, and then I go in with marquees. And here I am using my Real Technique Instapop flat brush, and I am just blending those two shades together. Well, I start with the marquees first, and then I go for the Macao and blending that out. So yep, that's what I'm doing, just blending it out. I don't really carry the foundation like all the way underneath her eye. It's just something that I just don't do. But here I am going in with, I believe this is Deep Tan and from Milani, and I'm just applying that under the eyes, and I'm using my setting brush from Real Technique, and I am just buffing that concealer into her skin. And please disregard the noise in the background, you guys. As you know, this family is just loud every hour and every minute of the day. Now here I am going in with Pure Beige This is also from Milani, and this is like her highlight. So yeah, I blended that all out, and now I'm going in with Ebony from Black Opal as my contour, my cream contour. And I'm using this brush. It's kind of angled just a slight bit, and I'm going in to blend out her contour. And now I'm going in with No Shine from Accosmetics, and I'm setting that underneath her eyes and everywhere else I highlighted. And now I'm going with Black Radiance, and this is my medium to dark palette, my contour palette, and I am just setting the cream contour. Yes, her skin looks so nice. And now I'm going in with Accosmetics again to carve out her contour. And then now I'm going in with some blush. And here I am contouring her nose. She was doing a TikTok video, you guys. And here I am doing the same for her nose. Now I'm going in with Morphe lip pencil, and this is actually NYX. This is NYX lip pencil in the shade brown. And I'm just using that to line up her lips. Yes, she wanted to do a little close-up. Now I'm going in with NYX liquid lipstick, and this is Athens, I believe, Athens and Cairo. I mixed them together, and that's the shade that I got. And then now I'm going in with some gloss. And then here I am going under the eye with a black eyeliner pencil. And here I am going in with C8 from MAC Studio Finish face powder. And then I also went in with NW44 for the bottom half of her face, using the same brush. And I am just tapping that into her skin. I'm not swiping, I'm tapping in. And here I am setting her face with Morphe Mist Spray. I went off camera and I did her eyeliner. Here's another close-up. And I also finished her brows, the top of her brows off camera, you guys. And now I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. And this is Dose of Colors highlighter. Yes, highlight the nose, the forehead, the chin, everything. So this completes the video, you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe so you can see all the other videos that I have coming your way. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you ladies in the next video. Period.